You told me you loved me. What a goddamn lie. Goodbye. Won't waste no more time. Need to pour up a glass of heartbreak wine. When I'm feeling lost and lonely and I need someone to hold me, I could call you. Or drown in a bottle and pray I forget you. Oh, heartbreak wine.
Hello, my loyal royalty, and welcome back to yet another video. So, in today's video, I will be unwrapping this new worker for my son. You also see me do a grocery haul and do a fridge restock and pantry restock, and I'll also be cooking. So if you are new here, welcome to royalty. I hope that you do stay, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome royalty, welcome my loyal royalty. I'm happy that you are back. So yeah guys, right now I'm just unboxing and assembling this walker for my son, and he is so impatient. As you can see, he's wondering what's going on. So after this, I'll be going into my kitchen to just clean it up, and then I'll get into the grocery haul later on. So do stay until the end of the video. Like and share this video if you can, and subscribe so that you are part of the royal family. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love. So drink up, one more.
So here I'm just cleaning up my son's bowl after he has had his breakfast, and after that I'll be making mine and my husband's breakfast as well. So yeah guys, keep watching. And to my premier gang, hello gang, welcome back.
In love. So drink up. Staring at the ceiling, shadows dancing, you appearing like a ghost, like a demon. Will I ever lose these feelings? Something about the way you move so fast. Highest highs, lowest crash, leaving bodies in your wake. If I were you, I'd be afraid. How do you sleep so well when I don't sleep at all?
Hello guys, welcome to yet another day in the vlog. So I've just come back from Checkers and I just needed to do this quick grocery haul for you guys. Yeah, things are not getting any better. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the things that I got. Unlike other months, I've left out a lot of things this month because of affordability and stuff. So let me just show you what I managed to buy. So there are non-negotiables, obviously. On my grocery list there are non-negotiables. Those things have to be bought because they are consumed almost every day, and I cannot negotiate with those. Those are like your rice, your pasta, your mealie meal, your cooking oil. Yeah, those are your non-negotiables. So I'm just going to start with things that need to be packed into the fridge first before they go bad. So yeah, we're going to start with this chicken. So I got this for the price written here is 144 rand 56 cents. So it comes as 2 beds. So yeah, this is the first thing that I got, which needs to go into the fridge, by the way. So that's done. The next thing that I got is this polony, which was going for, guys, this is a very long list for me to put prices here. This needs to go into the fridge straight away. I'm really like giving myself double work because I need to clean out the fridge anyways. So everything that I'm putting in the fridge, I'm going to have to take it out when I'm cleaning it anyways. It doesn't matter. We are on the grocery haul, and you know your babe is a fizz babe. I love my, what do you call it? I love my Fanta grape. I love my stony ginger beer, but this month I've decided to let go of those and go for the Oros drink. As you can see, we've already opened and we've already had some. So I had this Oros. I bought this Oros and some cooking oil. I always get this brand, the Excella brand. I don't know why, but I love this brand. But so yeah, I also got the Excella brand. Then for the rice, I got a 2 kg of tastic white rice, and I also got the basmati white long grain rice. It's parboiled though, but yeah, I also got these two, but I know that they are going to sustain us into the next month. So yeah, that's that. I don't have space, guys. I'm going to turn this here. I don't have space. I also got 2 kg of sugar. I got 500 grams of macaroni, large pasta, the MG pasta brand. I also got 4 packs of artisan spaghetti. This will sustain us into next month again. The thing that I don't like about this small kitchen that I love so much is that I don't have space. So everything will just be crowded. Anyways, let's move on. So obviously, because we have a bundle of joy in the house, we have to get like stuff for him. So I got these purities. They were on special, like get 5 for 48 rand. So I got 10 of different flavors. I'm not sure where the others are, but yeah, I also got that. And if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me complaining about these. Guys, I don't know where my sudden love for chocolate has come from, but I crave chocolate every day, and I am not pregnant. Don't come at me, I am not pregnant, but I'm just craving this. But at the same time, this is really affecting my skin. But at the same time, I got something to like really take care of my skin. That's a story for another day, but anyways, this was part of the groceries. Some chocolates. There are 3 of them. I'm not sure where the other one is. So I also got some baby spinach. These are for tonight because I have this dish that I've been thinking about that I want to make, and I'm going to be using these. So I might also do a video on that. So hopefully I will remember to do a video while making that dish. Moving on, before I forget to do this, I also got like salad dressing, the Greek and Italian one, the creamy ones. I love this. They just make my salads like exceptional. So I also got this. So sorry about this, guys. I put some lip gloss on my top, but anyways, let's move on. Then I got myself this Vaseline Intensive Care body cream. I know that this is going to come in handy this winter, so yeah, I also got that. Then I always go for this cheese brand, the cheddar, so I just grate it whenever I need to use it. So I got this brand. Then yeah, I am always a fan of baby bell peppers, so I also got some baby bell peppers and some crushed garlic, as you guys can see. Also got some avocados, which are like ready to eat. My son is just looking at me like, Mama, why are you speaking to yourself? Why are you talking to yourself? Anyways, let's move on. So I'm now a very big fan of red onions, so I got those. Then I also added some tomatoes. These need to be peeled so that I don't have all this excess skin, and then this needs to be washed for the fridge. I also got some potatoes for chips, but knowing myself, I'm probably going to use this for more than chips. But anyway, so I also got this lettuce because there was the one that I usually go for was not there, so I chose this one for my salads. What I said earlier about space, guys. I am praying for a bigger kitchen. I pray that I will get like a very good paying gigs, like very good jobs. In jobs is because I mean that in jobs is because what I want to do or what I'm pursuing right now allows me to have several jobs at the same time. So I want to have as many gigs as possible so that we can afford a very big and spacious kitchen, if you know what I mean. So I also got this cabbage and these mixed vegetables. As I said earlier, these need to go into the fridge now before they got wet. Sorry, Papa. So yeah, we're almost done. So I got this for my son, and I also got this for myself. So these are already opened because he's been having some already. So I also got some rolls. As you can see, they've already been eaten. Yeah, I made some hot dogs earlier on, so these have already been eaten. And yeah, these are the rest of the groceries. These are the rest of my son's purchases, which we buy 5 for 48 rand. I also got him this yogurt, the Camelot brand. also got some soups because I was out of soups. But I was starting to like using, what do you call it? Corn flour, cornstarch, corn flour. Yeah, it's been good at thickening my soups so far. This is also one of those chocolates that I showed you guys earlier. Yeah, and I also got these soups. So this is for tonight's dish, chicken a la king. This is a cooking sauce. Then the soups I got cream of mushroom, hearty beef, and cream of tomato. I also got some chicken thighs. Yeah, I also got this cream of chicken one. Then I got some chicken spice, the Robertson brand, and some spice for mince. And this Black Cat peanut butter. And the last thing on the list, some snacks, obviously. Rumbi, hi. Rumbi, I know that you watched this video, so I'm just saying hi. Yeah, I got some snacks, some romani. Oh! Then I've also got some steak and chop spice. Then lastly, 2x1 kgs of cereal for the bundle. So yeah guys, that's my quick haul. This is also a cooking sauce which I got. Yeah, so guys, that's my quick haul for the day, and everything costed me 2,079 rand. So I was working with a really tight budget today. And also this time I did not get any meal because my meal tin is like full, and I don't like salsa, guys. I don't like pap, I don't like salsa, so I did not get. Oh wait, I have some things that I also bought for the bedroom and the lounge. I'm not sure if I should include those in this haul, but if I do include them, then you will see them. But if I don't, then you will not see them. So thank you so much for watching. So now I need to like clean, I need to like pack all these away, and that's going to be another video, or it's going to be this video, I don't know. I need to pack away and then clean my fridge, and you know the hassle, you know what goes on with. Bye guys.
We're replaying in my mind every lie you told.
So I am now just cleaning out my small cabinet where like my food goes, and just restocking and packing what I just came back with. And I'll also be restocking my fridge. So continue watching guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video if you can, so that we reach a wider audience. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Baby, aren't you? One day the memories will haunt you. How do you sleep so well when I don't sleep at all? We're replaying in my mind every
Hello guys, so it's still a day in my life. So I remember me contemplating whether I would involve my dish for today. Okay, I decided to just involve my dish for today. So I'm making chicken and spinach pasta. That is what I'll be making. So I'm not sure how long. I am not sure how I'm doing. So I'm just about to start cooking. So I'm in a dilemma. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I want to film for YouTube. At the same time, I want to film a reel for Instagram. So I think I'm going to change the dimension of the phone, change, going like that back and forth. I'm trying to create content for both the platforms, YouTube and Instagram. I'm trying to grow my Instagram, guys. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, kindly follow me at Lately Mrs. C. It was formerly Mrs. IC as my intro says, but I changed it to Lately underscore Mrs. C underscore. So you can follow me on Instagram. So yeah, let's get cooking. So guys, you remember this chicken that I showed in the room? Look at what I've done to it. So instead of me going out to buy fillets, like proper chicken fillets, I've cut down this chicken and this is what is left of it. Yeah, this is what is left of it. I will be using this when I'm making stews later on. Yeah, so I'll use this when I'm making stews later on. Yeah, that's that. And these are the fillets that I managed to take out of this chicken. So I hope that this will be enough.
Guys, I muted this audio because I was not really audible, so this is the voiceover. Here I'm just mentioning that I'm about to add the spices that I wanted to add and then start cooking. So I'm just going to assemble all the spices that I needed: the chicken spice, mixed herb, etc. And after that, I'm just going to let the chicken rest for a while I prepare my pasta. Yeah, that is what I'll be doing. So while I'm making this dinner, I'll also have a pot of porridge on the side for my son. Yeah, so this is what I'll be making tonight for dinner for me and herbs, and then porridge for my son. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. I appreciate you so much. Your support means a lot to me. You are my loyal royalty, and I pray that God blesses you so much with every heart's desire of yours.
You told me you loved me. What a goddamn lie. Goodbye. Won't waste no more time. Need to pour up a glass of heartbreak wine. When I'm feeling lost and lonely and I need someone to hold me, I could call you. Or drown in a bottle and pray I forget you. Oh, heartbreak wine, heal your soul and clear your mind. One pot bitter, cold and dry, top it off and say goodnight. A tall glass of love and then a little bit of time. Oh, it hurts so good, just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love. So drink up, drink up, drink up. I thought I could fix us, but love wasn't enough to make it all right. When somebody drives me crazy and I need something to save me, I could call you, but I don't want to. I don't need to. I got heartbreak wine, heal your soul and clear your mind. One pot bitter, cold and dry, top it off and say goodnight. A tall glass of love and then a little bit of time. Oh, it hurts so good, just like you knew it could when you took the chance and you fell in love.
And dinner is ready, and guys, it was so tasty. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love and appreciate you guys so much. So you guys go and watch my other videos, even the videos that I did before I started these homemaking videos. Kindly go and watch those. I will see you in my next video and my next and my next and my next. From me to you, love and light. Let's continue making our homes fit for royalty. Bye.